The cartridge has two stages. The green portion of the cartridge is the double action valve that opens and closes and then provides volume control. The black portion of the cartridge is called the puck, and this is where the pressure balancing spool is. Connected together, you will see on the back side of the puck there are two centering pins that fit into two slots inside the cartridge cavity itself. Once you know that it is seated properly, install the nut and turn hand tight until it stops. And this is probably the most important part of the installation. Factory recommends drawing a line on the housing and drawing a line on the cartridge, and then tightening the cartridge 1/4 turn, or as you can see with the marks, from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Close the cartridge, open up the service stops, check for any leaks, make sure that everything is fine, and then I suggest you toggle open the cartridge to make sure that you have water coming through.